So let me show you how to anchor the volume profile the correct way to find where the institutions are buying and selling inside of a leg of price, because using the weekly and the daily and the monthly volume profile, those are constrained by time, and the price doesn't care about time. It really cares about levels, price points where markets or institutions are conducting their business. So by using this logic, look at this. This was just 2 days ago. So inside of this leg of price, from this high to this low, where do you think the strongest buyers are? Of course, right here. Why is the strongest buyers there? Because we do have a lot of institutional activity because of big trades, but also we do have a lot of trapped sellers right here. Look at this. Beautiful is this. So where do you think London will drop into and get bought up right here? And this was a trade that I actually took as well. Where do you think London will drop into and get bought up right here? And also I took this sell as well. So look at this. How beautiful is this? So measure this leg from the leg in to the leg out. As you see, POC, tap into this, go higher. And what does price do right before the session open? New York session open creates a higher low, and this is why I took the buy trade right here. All right, look at this. Price is going higher. 1K of sellers that is getting underrewarded. 1K of selling, price goes higher. So where do you think there is institutional activity from this low to this high? Right here. Pull back to it, go higher. And where do you think this high goes into? I'm gonna show you, but where do you think? Look at this. High, low, measure. Let's see. Okay. We have it right here. 2 volume peaks, like you see. Let me just mark it out so you can see it a little bit more clearer. It's gonna, give me 1 sec, guys. There we go. Volume peak number 1. Look at this. This volume peak. Why is this good? Institutional activity, 1K of buys, but what the result of all of that buying was is that the market went lower. Don't you think that this area is a key area for price to reverse from? Is this a visible supply and demand in your eyes? This is why you have to use volume and order flow to actually see where buyers and sellers are conducting their business in the market, and mark those zones and confirm your trades with order flow, and then take a beautiful trade from there. So look at this. Took this short right here. Didn't take this long. Took this long. Exactly on the session open. So I caught the lowest point of the session up to this high. I think I even sold it here, to be honest. Either way, this is how you use anchored volume profile to find high quality zones in a leg of price, and nobody teaches this.